Ever feel like attempting SQ1 multiple choice questions is like falling off a cliff? You're not alone. These single best answer questions, 5 options but only one is correct, often come wrapped in detailed scenarios to test how you apply the law, not just how well you memorized it. Today, I break down why SQ1 MCQs are tricky, highlight common mistakes, and think about ways to avoid them. Stick around for some practical tips and to hear how Revise SQE can boost your MCQ practice. SQ1 is split into 2 parts, FLK1 and FLK2. Each FLK consists of 180 questions. Each FLK is itself split into 2 sections, and the standard time allocated for each section is 2 hours and 33 minutes, with 90 questions in each section. Therefore, on average, candidates have approximately 1.7 minutes per question. Some questions will take more or less time to answer than others. Each MCQ presents a scenario and a question, followed by 5 answered choices. Why is this tricky? Because several answers can seem plausible. Examiners love to include distractors, sneaky options that look almost right but have a subtle flaw. Combine that with a ticking clock and it's easy to slip up. Some common mistakes and how to avoid them. First, misreading the question. Skimming too fast might make you miss a key word like not or except, leading you to answer the wrong question. Avoid it. Read every question slowly and highlight keywords so you catch exactly what's been asked. Second, overthinking. Turning a straightforward scenario into a conspiracy theory by imagining facts that aren't there will trip you up. Avoid it. Focus on the facts given and the exact question. Don't overinterpret or invent details. Third, falling for distractors. Sneaky, almost correct options can lure you in, especially if they sound familiar. Avoid it. Discard obviously wrong choices, then compare the remaining ones. Spot the small differences to pick the option that truly fits. Fourth, not applying the law. Going with your gut or what feels fair instead of the law is a common slip-up. Avoid it. Identify the area of law, contract, tort, etc. involved and apply the correct rule to the facts before answering. Fifth, second guessing. Changing your answer multiple times usually leads to regret. Avoid it. Unless you can spot a clear mistake in your initial reasoning, stick with your first answer. SQE1 MCQs are tough, but now you know their tricks. Remember, read carefully, think clearly, eliminate wisely, and keep calm. And speaking of practice, use quality question banks. Revise SQE offers a range of titles full of SQE-style MCQs to sharpen your skills. Use Revise SQE to supplement your MCQ practice, and you'll walk into the exam more confident and prepared. Good luck, and go show those MCQs who's the boss.